Hi, my name is Michael and I'm with Lumens. Today I want to show you our new TS20 tap share wireless presentation system. What I'm going to do is show you what you get in the box when you first open the tap share. What we have right off the bat, you see we have our receiver and our two transmitters. The receiver is very easy to set up. There's an HDMI cable. You plug it in, connect it to your panel or your projector, and then you get in the box two of our transmitting pods. The pods are very easy to connect. You have both HDMI, mini display port, and Ethernet for power, as well as our USB connection. So you have three different connections, really easy to use. You connect it, tap it, your unit's on the screen. You also get in the box the power supply for the receiver and the power cable, but we also give you two mini display port cables and two HDMI cables. So you have everything you need in the box to get started. What else is nice is the units can be expanded with other pods. So this is one of the additional pods. It comes packaged by itself, and then you also get in the box two more cables, one of the mini display port cables and one of the HDMI cables. So this is the new wireless presentation system by Lumens. If you'd like more information, go to our website, mylumens.com, or give us a call. We're also going to be displaying this unit at all of our trade shows this year. We're looking forward to seeing you.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming videos.